Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. In today's video I'm joined by my two kiddies, Ella and Charlie, and we are going to show you some really easy no-bake Christmas treats that you can do with the kids this Christmas time. I don't know about anybody else, but I'm finding these short days and cold winter weather really difficult for keeping them entertained. Just give them a shot and we're fine. But yeah, it's really hard to keep them entertained and not just to like chuck on a film and give them snacks and just let them sit and watch TV all day. So baking is a really nice outlet for them to just get creative, get a bit messy, and then it's also really rewarding because they get a nice treat at the end. Swapsies? Yeah, so these things are really easy to make. You can pretty much find most of these things in your cupboards already. So definitely a good last minute thing. The first thing I wanted to point out though is that we've already went ahead this morning and made a gingerbread house. I will just show you it just now without breaking it hopefully. So this is our gingerbread house. Ella made this morning. Oh, Charlie, don't grab it. And this was from Home Bargains. Oh god, he wants a bit of icing. He's got it. But that was from Home Bargains and I'm pretty sure it was about £4. It was very cheap, so it kept her entertained for a good while this morning. Did you enjoy making that gingerbread house this morning? Yeah? Did you do all the decorations on it? Yeah, it was good, wasn't it? Ella made that gingerbread house this morning. She decorated it all and then I assembled it with great difficulty. But anyway, it really kept her entertained for quite a while after breakfast time and just gave her something new to do instead of like playing with her toys or watching telly. The next thing we're going to do is make some crispy cakes. They're little Rudolph cakes and all you have to do are the following. For this one, all you need is a bar of chocolate. I'm just using some dairy milk. I'm going to heat that up in the microwave in about 20-second bursts just to make sure that we don't burn the chocolate. Then you're going to add in some Cocoa Pops, mix it all together. You've probably seen these before, they're just really easy crispy cakes. Pop them into a mould and then we'll decorate them like Rudolph. Finished eating all the chocolate. Make sure you give it a good mix around so that you make sure that all the chocolate is coated properly on the Crispies. You need to scoop it out with the spoon then, okay? Can you manage? Yeah. I'm going to make it look like Rudolph in a wee second. See if you go into the drawer, the snack drawer, get out some, we need lots and lots of pretzels. We're going to use the pretzels as antlers. That's it, you already know. Ella's just shown us here, this is how you make the Rudolph ears. You just pop in some little antlers. Oh, that's his nose, silly. Put them up high. You want to press them inside the chocolate so that it looks like his little antlers, like that. That's really cool. I'll do his face in a second. We need to get some Smarties for that. You want to pop the nose, that's it, and you pop the nose on. Good, kiddo, well done.
Put another nose on.
That's it, clever. And then do all the other ones. You know, I'm going to take some of this Jane Asher white piping icing and just pop on some eyes on the reindeer. I'll let Ella do it.
Not there.
A big blob and then one there. Good, kiddo. It's pretty hard to squeeze, isn't it? Okay, so I've gone ahead and taken some black ready to roll icing because I couldn't get black piping icing, and I've just made some little pupils on this reindeer here. We're going to do the rest of them and then put them into the fridge. So these have been in the fridge for about half an hour. I've just popped them out of their silicone mould and I've just put on some of these little eyes made out of black icing. It was so easy and they have just kind of come to life. They look really good. And I bet they taste good as well because it's Cadbury's chocolate. So Ella's gone off to nursery. I'm going to go on with showing you the other little bakes that we're going to try all together when she's back. But these ones are so easy. All you need to get are some marshmallows. These big ones are best. You also need to get yourself some chocolate you're going to melt and then some stuff to decorate it. And you can either use little straws for this to make it quite festive. These ones are just from Home Bargains, or you can also use matchsticks, or you could use Mikado. It's completely up to you. Same as last time, all you're going to do is get yourself some good chocolate and melt it in the microwave. So once your chocolate is melted, just grab your marshmallows, decide what you're going to put it on. You can either use some red Smarties or you could get some sprinkles. Just grab your marshmallow and your Mikado stick and then pop it inside. And then you're going to coat it in chocolate. And you can just sit them down on their top because you're about to put icing on them. I'm going to carry on doing this with the rest of the marshmallows and the chocolate. Next up, you want to take some icing sugar and just make some of this kind of like drippy icing to make the top of your little stick look like a little Christmas pudding. So once you've got your little pudding looking good, all you want to do is pop on 2 Smarties or 2 red sweets of your choice. And you can either get some little bits of decoration or you can even use some piped icing and just pop on some little leaves. I'm also going to sprinkle some glitter on mine as well because I think that will look really nice and festive, and who doesn't love glitter, eh? And that's it there, your little Christmas pudding lollipop stick. The next idea is really cute and festive, and it's just some little polar bear biscuits. Very, very easy to do. You can get yourself any kind of biscuits. I've got these here, which are the McVitie's Tasties coconut rings. And literally just a biscuit like this. All you want to do is get yourself a big white marshmallow, like so, and then cut it in half. 1 marshmallow and 2 biscuits will make 2 polar bears. So you want to pop that on the inside, and because they're quite sticky, it'll kind of just stick to the biscuit like that. You're going to get some of these chocolate buttons, just white chocolate, and you've guessed it, melt them in the microwave. And all you're going to do is just take your white chocolate that's all melted now and cover each biscuit to make it look like the colour of a polar bear. At this stage, I just want to look for some blue coloured Smarties to make the polar bear's nose, because I just think it looks quite sort of like Arctic-like. Then all we're going to do is pop a little Smartie on top and press down. And then to make some eyes and ears, I'm going to go in with my Jane Asher white icing into 2 big blobs, the same as before. So once they have dried, I've just taken them out of the fridge and popped on some black rolling icing for the pupils. These ones aren't as great, but when you roll them into little balls and stick them on, they are so much better. Then finally, our last little no-bake Christmas treat is this one here. It's a little snowman. All you need to get is a biscuit, some icing, 3 marshmallows and stack them up. Get pretzels or those little Mikado sticks, work really well for this. Cut off the nose from the front of it, stick onto little arms, some beads for buttons, and then just some modelling chocolate or modelling icing for the eyes. Ella loved this one when she came in from nursery, so we're going to make more of these tomorrow, and plus they look really impressive. If you were to have a Christmas spread and have a couple of these dotted between for the kids to do, then it looks really nice and decorative, and definitely a little tasty treat for them to have as well. So guys, I hope you've really enjoyed seeing all these super easy, festive, no-bake treats that you can get involved with your kids creating. Our gingerbread house has seen better days. The kids have been picking off the sweets and eating it. But yeah, that's all part of the fun. These are just super simple. They're nice and they're easy to make. They're good for Christmas fairs. They're good for even little presents for family members if you want to put them in some cellophane and kind of wrap them up. Or if you're having a Christmas party, then they would make the perfect little accompaniment on the table too. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and it's given you some food for thought for making little treats for your kids and getting involved with some Christmas activities. Please do let me know in the comments below if there's anything that you do and try. There's definitely more where that came from. If you fancy another part 2 of this, then let me know, because there are so many cool ideas that you can do. Did you enjoy your baking?
Good.
Yeah?
And I have loved it.
What one was your favourite?
Those.
The reindeer? Will we have one of those after dinner?
Yeah.
Right, we are going to go just now. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and like this video too, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!
Bye!